This is the level 1 In this level we'll learn extrude surface and trim surface and delete surface. Okay, let's start. Just we'll go to surface and click extrude surface. Just choose suppose I will choose this is the extrude surface. It has been extruded with this 300 distance. If you want to change the distance, you can change. Suppose I will change this distance. I'll change it 120. Click enter. Now see, it has been changed. Now see. And you can extrude or any surface. Just click this. Now see, it has been extrude. Or any surface you can extrude. Suppose again you will extrude this. Just click this. So you have to change the distance value. Just will keep, suppose I will keep 300. Click enter. Now see, it is extrude as a 300. Yeah. Select this is the edge face to extrude and add condition. Just click this distance, choose this distance and extrude type this same surface. Just click OK. Now we'll go to this trim surface. This is the trim surface, and just click and just clear selection. Now trim type, click, choose mutual and this surface. Just click this surface. Now see, all surfaces are selected. So again choose this remove selection and click this box, and which face you don't need, just will click this space. For this remove, just select the remove. Just I will select, suppose I'll remove this space. So just click here, just see this and click this, click. Now see, it is removed. Again you can remove or another face. Just we will go to this face. Suppose I'll choose this face, so I'll click this on this face. Now see, it is removed. Make sure your surface split option natural. Yeah. Then or another face, if you need the remove, just we will go to this space. Suppose I'll go this space and click. Now see, our extra face are removed. So now click this OK. Yeah. Now if you want to delete any faces, just we will go to this delete face. Just select this selection and choose show selection toolbar, and this option, choose this delete and path, delete and fill. You can choose anything. Just we will choose this delete, and suppose select this space. I want to delete this space, so that's why I click on this space and just click OK. Now see, it is deleted. It has been deleted because I selected this space. Okay. Thank you for watching for this lecture. Okay.